Hey everyone, welcome back to the Day After Food blog. I know it has been a while since we've posted another video, but we're trying to get that long distance thing under control. Right now though, we are here to focus on Valentine's Day. So we are going to be showing you guys, or literally you guys, because I hope the men are going to be cooking for the ladies. We are here to show you how to cook an amazing 3-course meal for $25 or less. And you're gonna have leftovers, okay? So, chef, what we gonna have today to eat?
You're gonna have your famous spread on the bread, what you like to call it.
What is it?
Sausage bruschetta with tomato salsa and filet mignon with the Italian smaller. Sauteed shrimp and sauteed potatoes.
Shrimp?
Shrimp.
Shrimp? I thought we call it prawns.
I call it prawns.
Bougie people call it prawns, okay? So we
Tiger
like to say
prawns.
Let's say prawns, darling. Prawns. So on a scale of 1 to 3, 1 being the easiest, 3 being hard. So 1 is easy, 2 is intermediate, 3 is hard. What would you say? What would you rate this? Oh, okay. That means I can do this. Oh, now that's what I like. This is a foolproof 3-course meal for you guys to cook for your ladies. People on a budget. Not everybody have, not everybody could afford Ruth's Chris or Morton's Steakhouse or Capitol Grill or Prime 112. So, but you can get the same great meal for $25 without having to break the bank.
And not even putting in an hour's work either.
Oh,
only about 20 minutes.
But put on that. They're gonna put that work in after the meal.
Exactly. Hopefully it's over an hour.
Oh. Alright guys, so let's get into everything that we are going to be cooking today. We are going to show you everything that you're going to need. We're also going to have it in the description box below. And this is easy. You guys follow along. He's going to teach you exactly how to prepare the meal. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you try this video, if you try this recipe, please leave a comment below letting us know. Also, follow us on Instagram at the Day After Food blog. Don't be afraid to DM us any questions that you may have. And while we're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. I mean, come on, we got a lot more recipes, very user-friendly recipes waiting for you guys. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That's how we get paid. Like, come on, we ain't doing this all for free now. At least pay us with a subscribe. What you think?
I would shoot.
Okay, so let's get this thing going. All right, now Chef Bae, walk us through everything that we're gonna need today.
Okay, we're gonna start with the starter, the appetizer. So what you first need, you need a nice French baguette, so we can slice that. We have a few slices, and we're gonna spread some sausage meat on it. This sausage meat is good. You can buy it from the supermarket. It has all the seasoning inside already.
So it's like mild Italian sausage. That's what we're using, right? Okay.
Right. So there's no breadcrumbs inside, no filler. It's straight up meat.
How much of it? So is that 1 pack?
No, this is a half a pack.
Okay, so half a pack of the mild Italian sausage.
Half a pound.
Okay.
4 ounces.
Okay.
Okay. Then we're gonna spread that on the bread.
Okay.
On the slices, we're gonna bake that off until it's cooked. So the bread and the sausage is gonna cook at the same time.
Okay.
Then we're gonna make a tomato salsa, onion, diced tomato, a little bit of avocado, some cilantro, coriander if you're British, some lime, and garlic. We're gonna mix some Parmesan cheese inside the sausages as well.
Oh, nice.
Just to give it a little extra flair to it. And for the vegetarians, we're gonna make a garlic butter for the bread. So it's gonna be garlic bread instead of the sausage. Ready to go? Let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, so what exactly are we doing?
Alright, we're gonna preheat the oven first. That way once it's ready, the oven is hot.
Okay.
Sling it in.
Preheat it to
350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Depends where you are in the world. I'd recommend probably 3 slices per person. So you wouldn't want too much of it at the beginning.
Yeah.
How much would you?
I wouldn't put that on. I wouldn't put that on TV. Cause you know this is like my favorite.
I'll probably 2, you know.
Cause you know I'll probably eat 6.
So we'll do 4 sausage and we'll do 2 garlic. All right.
All right.
Now we're gonna put it on the tray. Alright. Then what we need to do? We need to make our garlic butter. Yeah. So before that, we're gonna do minced garlic. Alright. Fresh garlic. Okay, for the garlic butter, all you need is a bit of chopped garlic, just roughly chopped. And you can stick it inside our blender. Get some softened butter. What I do is I take the butter out like half an hour before I need it, just so it's soften up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You don't want it too hard, otherwise it won't mix. Okay, just a couple of those. If you have a NutriBullet or Magic Bullet, is the best thing to use. We got our sausage and our Parmesan.
Like Americans that say Parmesan.
I like Parmesan because it adds a bit of salt, a bit of flavor. You like Parmesan, do it?
Yeah.
Just a little mix. Take a bit and we spread on the bread. I like it like on the edges, like one piece of bread. It sticks by itself. So once we're done with that, then we can put our garlic butter. Nice and creamy that is. It's gorgeous. What you want to do is put a little bit of salt on the bread first.
For what?
Hmm?
What the salt does?
Add a little flavor.
Oh.
Because the sausage already have salt in it. With the garlic butter, we didn't put any salt in that one. So
What if you use salted butter?
You can put salted butter. If you want, then you won't have to use it. I like unsalted butter because you could use it for desserts or anything you want. Just spread the butter on it like so. Then we pop it in our oven now. Good to go. We got a tomato salsa, a little bit of avocado, onion, cilantro, lime and garlic. I'll show you how to chop it up. So I chopped it up beforehand before we get on camera. You slice the tomato, then you cut it into strips, and we dice it up. Don't have to be perfect. Chop onion. So with the onion, what you want to do, you make slices inside without cutting straight through. And you make an indentation in there. And then when you cut it down, boom.
I never knew that.
Magic. It's like magic. And don't worry about the avocado. Avocado is disrespectful today. It's only avocado we got too. I decided to buy underripe avocado yesterday. Take off the black pieces with a spoon. And the rest is okay. So we spoon it out. Take off the undesirables. Chop it up. Chop it up, chop it up. We got our garlic and our lime to add. Alright. Put some squeezed lime. You know, the lime is the one that brings out all the flavor. I like lime. Can't have salsa without lime. Eh?
You never used to put lime in it in the beginning when we first met.
Yeah, but you like it with lime.
Yeah, it's good.
So I started to like it with lime too.
Right, but I like when you don't put lime in it either. It's good. I never had it that way.
Tomato salsa without lime.
Oh, stop it.
The cilantro, coriander.
Cilantro.
Coriander.
Cilantro.
Just rough chop. I like it rustic. I like everything rustic to be honest.
Yes, yes, we know.
So
Suck
I'm
your
gonna
toe.
keep saying it. I'm gonna keep saying it. Then my fun part.
Yes, my favorite.
Oh, God.
If y'all don't know by now, we are a garlic household. So what are you doing to the garlic?
So the garlic, I'm chopping it, then I'm gonna mince it.
So you chop it
Make
first?
it into a paste. So I chop it, and I sprinkle the salt on it. The salt is bring out the water out of it. And then we crush it with the knife.
I think that's so sexy.
Nice and soft.
Let's get
Because I don't like to chew garlic, you know what I mean? I hate chewing garlic. I love garlic flavor, but I hate chewing garlic. It's raw garlic. If it's cooked, it's alright. And once it's soft, it's great to scrape off the part into our bowl. I mean, you can buy crushed garlic already.
Ain't nothing like it fresh though.
You know? Or you can buy one of those utensils with crushing.
Like I have.
But you waste a lot of the garlic.
I just use all of mine.
Alright, and that's it. All we need now is some salt, a little touch of oil, and we're good to go. Season to your taste anyway. Some people like a lot of salt, some people like a little bit of salt. It depends on the person. You don't need too much oil in it. A lot of people, I would either use avocado or olive oil. Just give it a little mix. You ain't look too sharp yet.
She's looking a little sexy.
And the best part is tasting it. Slamming. Slamming. You can taste the garlic, you taste the lime. The lime really cuts through it. Just good. So it's even less time than it takes to cook the bread. You know what I mean? So that's quite good.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Quick, hey?
Yeah.
It's just enough time to cook and then you make your salsa and you're good to go.
Okay.
You know, you're not too bad.
Alright, so what we doing with this?
You just gotta clean it up. You gotta make it look a little sexy though, you know.
Alright, so
The ladies
you are
like things looking good.
okay, we want to be wined and dined, honey. Wined and dined. Thank you very much.
Alright. Little salsa on the plate.
Alright guys, I hope y'all paying attention. Ladies, this for y'all too now. Okay? This don't only have to be Valentine's Day. When it's your man's birthday and you know, money a little tight, or you just probably tired of going out to eat. Have a night in.
Put a little bit down. Get our bread. Sit one up like that.
Okay.
Like so. That's how I would do it anyway. Alright.
Oh, okay. So that's the garlic butter is for those that don't eat pork.
Yeah. Alright. And spoon a bit on top there.
Ooh.
Alright. And then we got that on the side for extra, you know? drizzle a little oil around, make it look a little sexy.
Ooh.
That looks sweet.
Oh, she looks so good. I'm ready to eat though. Yes.
Come around here, come taste it then.
Alright. Oh, wait, you tell me go. Shoot.
And which one you want to try?
You know what? I'm gonna try the one with the garlic butter first because we always have sausage bruschetta, and I don't think I've had the one with the garlic butter. So let's try that first. Ooh, nice and crispy on the outside. Hold on, let me feel. Ooh, I like it. All right, ready?
Yeah, that crunch? Slam it.
It's really, really good. It's really good. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good.
It's surprising how bread could taste so good, eh?
I swear. Oh my god. Okay, so the bread we paid what? What's the price on that?
$1.79.
$1.79 for a large French baguette. A tomato you can get for like a couple of cents, 75 cents, 60 cents. An onion, an avocado.
Use not even a quarter of that.
Right. An avocado from Walmart is 68 cents. A little bit of oil, some salt, cilantro you can get for $1 or less. So let's say 2. Like this is literally a $5 appetizer, if that.
Easily.
If that. Literally, this is probably like, just to make this, if you want to be on target, like maybe $3.50.
Easily.
Easy.
I'm
But
sure they'll charge you about $15.
Probably
$12.
like 10, yeah, probably between 10 and 12.
Yeah, it's vegetarian, yeah, about $12. And get the meat one, I'll finish this one.
I like how you drizzled the oil on it. So good.
The avocado oil is quite nice. I never was a fan of it, but it's not too bad. I'm a fan of olive oil. Has better flavor.
I made you a believer.
Slowly but surely.
Alright. Good job, babe.
Good.
Alright, so on to the main course.